Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is Game Dev HQ, and enjoy the best of Made with Unity. Bye Friday, Hello Saturday by Renat. Using fluid physics to make ice cream by Rugvid. Demo scene for the Mexican Desert package. All cactuses were made using Procedural Cactus Generator by B. Paul. Friction-based grabbing with only 2 simple scripts by Jorge. Laser by Planet of Gloob. Try as you might, no man's destiny can escape the stairs by Mongoose Rodeo. Every atom of this point cloud is vibrating and dancing to a mysterious heavenly music by Ruben Fro. Wow, that's ingenious movement style by Codeer Studios. Added a little extra effect to the dog petting with color being temporarily restored by Kyle. Waiting for Dinner at Grandma's Cottage by Memory of God. Dolphin in a Bottle by Lucy. Slash 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 by Zin. Need a pick-me-up? El Churrabato has the best churros in the underworld by Nanokins. Agents and Trails by Luigi. The Amazon has a new trick. She can charge up her chakram by Bravery and Greed. The Loop Teaser by Judas Brothers. Sometimes the hardest places are the safest by Ghastly Smile Games. a first look at the new transmutation abilities by Dross. Welcome to Cirrus. You landed a sweet gig as a mining technician. Now swap those tiles and create a vein of 3 or more matching ores. Available now on the Google Play Store. The link is below. Testing 2.5 games by Beko Taizai. Ready to use customizable Lucky Wheel by Bevy Store. Stop making video games, start making video trains by Lou. Experimenting with avatar testing features for the Pumpkin Tools 2.0. Another new character in production by Sakura Rabbit. Keep adding more decorations to Last Project by Mahong Knight. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to be notified about upcoming videos, and use the Twitter hashtag MadeWithUnity to possibly be featured on our upcoming videos. This is GameDevHQ.com, and we're out of here. See you next week.